In today's video, let's take a closer look at a rechargeable selfie stick from Telesin. If you want to extend the battery life of your camera so it lasts for you a whole day, then this accessory in here is what you need. So this accessory is like two products in one, because you not only get a power bank, but also a selfie stick. There is like 10,000 mAh battery just inside of this grip, which is 2 times more as original GoPro Volta can do. And the best thing about it is that it costs half of the price. So you can use this battery grip to charge your GoPro, smartphone, or basically any other device that uses USB-C connection. But what's really interesting is that you can charge up to 2 devices at the same time. That 10,000 mAh battery is like 6 GoPro batteries just inside of the grip, plus the battery that you got inside of the camera, and it should be plenty for a whole day of shooting. So you can use this accessory as a typical camera grip, and it's pretty big, you know, there's enough room to hold it with both of my hands. However, if you like, you can always use it as a selfie stick. If you want to extend it, all you have to do is to simply pull it up, and it locks in place. There is no twist and lock mechanism. But what's very interesting is that even when the selfie stick is fully extended, notice that the camera is still being charged, so there's no need to disconnect anything. The selfie stick itself feels secure. However, I must admit that I can hear some noise whenever I'm shaking it. Inside of the package, Telesin also includes a weatherproof battery door. And once you connect it to your camera, it's gonna let you connect a USB-C cable through it and seal the rest of your battery compartment. This way, you don't have to worry about dust, snow, or humidity. You know, you can also leave it to record a time-lapse overnight, and it's going to survive morning dew or drizzle. Now, if you take a closer look at the bottom of it, notice that there is a 1/4-inch hole. So you can mount it on a tripod and record the time-lapse for a whole day, or even a whole night if you want to. At the very top, there is a 1/4-inch thread, so you can use it to mount your camera, or maybe a mobile phone adapter if you want to use it with your phone. But Telesin also includes a GoPro adapter in the package, so you can use it with any GoPro camera that you have, or basically any other action camera, so it's really nice. So this is what Telesin Rechargeable Selfie Stick has to offer. And this accessory in here costs around $57 on official Telesin website. Honestly, it's a real bargain considering that its main rival, GoPro Volta, costs around twice as much, roughly around $129, and offers only half of its battery capacity. So not only you save a lot of money here, but also get double the performance when it comes to the battery out of it. Though it doesn't have integrated buttons to control the camera, but if you're okay changing the modes and pressing that record button on the camera itself, this is a pretty good battery grip. 10,000 mAh battery, splashproof design and a selfie stick in one? Not bad, Telesin. So the question is Telesin Rechargeable Selfie Stick better than the original GoPro Volta? It all depends on what you need, because Telesin gonna offer you twice as much battery as GoPro Volta. However, if you want to control your camera more easily and have a remote control, then GoPro Volta gonna be a better choice for you. But it's gonna be more expensive and offer half of the battery. So which one do you think gonna be better for you? Let me know about it in the comment section below. And for today's video, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye!